Today we are going to make Dijon vinaigrette that is so easy and will last you all week. Hey guys, welcome to Chop Happy Land, where the recipes are simple and the secret ingredient is a dash of gratitude. I hope you guys are doing awesome today and having a grateful heart because we are going to make something super simple. We're going to make Dijon vinaigrette and it's Chop Happy style, so it's really simple. I have a whole lemon that I zested and I put the zest in there, and one garlic clove that I also grated and put it in there. But you could just chop it up finely if you want to. And then with that, one of my secrets to this is 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Oh my God, Dijon mustard is so awesome because it's so zesty and it really wakes things up, and I love it. I hope you guys are rocking the house today. I'm gonna put a big pinch of salt and a big pinch of pepper. Okay, sunshine for all and sunshine for lemon. I'm gonna hold the lemon cut side up so the seeds don't get into it, and I put some lemon in there. I'll put the whole lemon actually goes in there. Cool. There we go. This one is reminds me of my potato salad that I do the same dressing with, and I mix it with hot potatoes. It always reminds me when I make this that life is way too short, so we should zen out. And I'm gonna mix this up with my fork. Mix this bad boy up, and what makes my dressing different is I use 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard for an extra kick, and a little extra virgin olive oil, about a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and no vinegar, just the lemon. So it's bright, shiny, and lovely, just like you guys. All right, here, I'm gonna take a little bite. Oh my God, right at the top, my tongue gets that Dijon winey flavor, and then that burst of freshness comes just because we use lemon, and then of course that fruity olive oil. You guys gotta make this. Go on chophappy.com for the recipe, and I will see you guys later. Please subscribe, and I love you guys. Have a great day, and I hope that you guys have fun cooking in the kitchen and have fun in life. All right, love ya.